to log in into Virginia sales tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Virginia sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari application. And in the search bar, search for Virginia sales tax login. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website that says virginia.gov. Now wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here on this page, zoom in and under the iFile login, here you will see the option in order to log in into your account. Firstly, select your account type, whether it is tax account or VEC account. After that, enter your tax account or VEC account, and if you have forgotten your account, you can tap on forget my tax account or forget my VEC account option. Enter all of your other personal details like user ID and password and tap on login option. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.